Good day, everybody. Good day, everyone. How's the weekend? How is everything? How was the week? How's been trading at your side? Well done. So I want us to quickly do a quick top-down analysis on these forex stocks, against the opening of the forex market tomorrow. Opening of the forex market tomorrow. So this is corn on the monthly time frame. So I can shift it a little bit up so that it will be easier. So if we look at this forex stock, you can see that it's showing an what is it called, head and shoulder. It's showing a head and shoulder pattern. On the monthly time frame. So let's mark out the neckline. So this is the neckline. I'm marking it out like this. So this is our neckline. So you can see the edge. Let me mark the edge. Let me mark it out. This is the edge. In this turquoise blue or aqua color. Then the shoulder. This is the shoulder here. Let me change the color so that change the color to this one. So this is the shoulder. Then that's the neckline, which is the red counter trend line. So from this particular trade, you can see that this market itself is a downtrend. Because the previous high cannot even break the other one, which is at around the 808.50 region. It cannot break it, and it's even lower than the head. The head pattern is even lower than it. So this one is giving us a kind of rare form of head and shoulder pattern, which is in the monthly time frame. If you spot this kind of a pattern in monthly time frame, you know that you have hit a jackpot. The only thing that remains is just to be very careful with your price action before you now pull the trigger and enter your sell order. So looking at this, you can see that this particular market has tested a lot of zones. Let me show you one here. This is another zone here. You can see this is an opportunity to enter, but we cannot enter now. What do we do? So because we already know the meaning of head and shoulder, we know how it forms. So let's measure the edge to the neckline. Let's see the extent to which our take profit can be measured. So we take this particular arrow, put it here and measure it. Anywhere it falls, that's going to be our take profit. And as you can see it now, this is the region for our take profit. Don't go and put your take profit below this one, because market can do anything. And even this particular region, you can see another block is there. So market is surely coming back to this area, and it surely pull back to assume the uptrend again. So but how can we enter? You want to enter this kind of trade, so you move to lower time frame. This is the lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. You cannot do anything in this region, you can't do anything here. So let's move to the daily time frame to see if you can still enter. So looking at this daily time frame, we can use our counter trend line to measure it. Look at this one forming the higher high here. Look at this two forming the higher high here. So you can see it. So that's it. But yet we cannot still enter. You have to look for a trap. You have to trap this market. If you want to make money there, you have to trap it. You have to set a trap for it, just like a bait. So how do we set bait for this kind of market? What we are going to do is go to lower time frame again and look for adequate method, lower time frame strategies to catch this trade. lower time frame to catch this trade. If you look at this lower time frame, some people would think this one is forming reverse head and shoulder, and at the end of the day, what they will do is what? They will go and wait for it here. They will go and wait for it here, and at the end of the day, they get burnt, and they will say Forex is not. Forex is, they are manipulating it. It's not manipulation. This is not a manipulation. It's knowledge. So what do we do in this case? Because we already know that our overall trend is downtrend, and in the higher time frame it gave us a head and shoulder pattern. So we know that this particular market is surely going to sell. So how do we, and when we know that it's going to sell, we are not going to be looking for buy. What we are going to be looking for in this case is what? Is sell. So what do we do? So let's measure this zone now. I'm painting this zone to show that what, once it break this zone, then you can sell anything you want to sell from here, sell down here. And also our entry is going to be here. It's going to be here, and our exit, our stop loss is going to be above this rectangular line, which is 475.01, and our entry is going to be 473.5, which is around 30 pips. And these 30 pips can still give us opportunity of profiting in several locations. So when this market drop, our first TP is going to be here. Our first TP is going to be here. We wait for it. If you can exit, you can exit. We wait for it and form another price, either a bearish engulf pattern or it form a bearish pin bar. Then we enter another sell, another order again. So then also our second TP, we are looking at it around this region, because these are the major region of liquidity. So we are looking at it here. Also, let's go back to the daily time frame or monthly. So this monthly time frame is one that allows us to know where this market is likely heading to. Is likely heading to. And I've already shown you that where it's heading to. I've already measured it the other time. So from here, this is it. This is the destination of this market. And look at it now. Around how many pips is that? Around almost 160 pips. 60 pips. So these are free trade. Just do it without affecting your daily routine. And these are a way to trade and have rest of mind. And I hope I've been able to justify the top down analysis with a forex stocks. So top down analysis can be used to analyze any form of market, either crypto, either stocks, either anything, synthetic indices, and any form of market. So please do well to subscribe to my channel, like it, comment, and help me share it. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much. Thank you very much. Bye bye.